Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning, everyone. Okay, so let's continue for our lesson today. Okay, we still in chapter 9. Okay, speed and acceleration. So, okay, alright. So still lagi dalam subtopic speed. Okay, so today you will learn about another two of the learning outcomes. Alright, so the first one, um, you will learn about perform calculation involving speed and average speed, including unit conversion. Okay, and another one is about to solve problems involving speed. Okay, alright. So kita tengok in the first learning outcome is about average speed. Okay, so yang ini gambar apa ni kelas? Okay, ini adalah gambar the electric train service ataupun ETS ataupun kita panggil as a commuter. Alright, so the electric train service ataupun ETS from Kuala Lumpur to Butterworth move at bukan uniform speed it's supposed to be non-uniform speed. Ni ada errata sikit. It's supposed at an uniform speed. Alright, so in this situation, the average speed is used to give an idea of the speed of the train. So things involving a non-uniform speed, we use this formula. Alright, average speed equals to total distance over total time. So the question involving non-uniform speed, you use this formula. Alright, so you already learned three formula lah. Okay, three formula. And then move to the next one. Average speed equals to total distance over total time. So this is the fourth formula. Even though the three formula in previous lesson itu adalah perkara kita tukar-tukar je kan, bahagi, darab and so on. Okay, tapi yang dia punya simple tu kalau you still ingat, distance bahagian atas, distance S dengan T. Kalau still remember. Okay, please check balik you punya previous video lesson. Okay, in lesson 23 speed part 1. Okay, tengok balik the formula about the speed. Alright, now let's move to the next one. Okay, kita tengok ada example here. Okay, so hari ni for average speed ada 3 example. Okay, before kita nak masuk the real question about the average speed, kita tengok dulu soalan about conversion. Okay, about conversion. Okay, the speed limit on jalan persekutuan is 90 km per hour. Okay, convert the speed to meter per second and B kilometer per minute. Okay, so kita recall balik what you already learned before. Okay, about the conversion of unit. Okay, kalau you tengok dekat sini, okay, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So, kalau you convert from kilometer to meter, what you need to do, okay, if you want to convert 1 kilometer to 1 meter, to convert to meter, to convert to meter, so what you need to do is 1 kilometer times 1000. Macam itulah. Okay. Same goes to meter to centimeter. So what you need to do? 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So you need to times dengan 100. Okay. Okay. If the question asks you, okay, to convert centimeter to meter, what you need to do is divide by 100. Okay. And then for meter to kilometer, you need divide by 1000. Right? Okay, how about time? Okay, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So if you want to convert hour to minute, you need to times 60, and minute to second, you need to times by 60. Okay, but if you want to convert second to minute, you need to divide by 60. Okay, minute to hour, you need to divide by 60. Okay, ini sebenarnya benda-benda yang kamu dah belajar in the previous lesson. Pernah belajar sebenarnya. Okay, tak silap saya masa form 1 adalah. Form 1 tak silap saya. Okay, jadi ni this is just nak recall balik, nak flashback balik apa yang kamu dah belajar sebelum ini. Alright. Okay, now kita nak tengok sebelum tu. Jangan lupa, sebelum saya teruskan, jangan lupa to click the attendance in GC. Okay, make sure before 10 a.m. Please click your attendance in GC. Alright. Okay, kita sambung. Okay, kita nak tengok solution dia. Okay, so kamu tengok dekat sini 90 km per hour equals to 90 km over 1 hour. Okay, easier for you when you want to convert from one unit to another unit. What you need to do is tukarkan 90 km per hour itu dalam bentuk fraction. It's easier for you lah nanti. Okay, so kalau tengok dekat sini, cikgu buat 90 km per 1 hour. So 90 times dengan 1000 meter. Why 1000 meter? Because 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. Okay, so yang letak dekat sini. Okay, divide dengan 1 hour, but you nak jawapan dalam second. So it means times 3600. Okay, kenapa 3600? Because 1 kilometer is equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 60 times 60 become 3600 seconds. Okay, that's why you put 3600 seconds. So kena remember bukan 1000, alright? Okay. So bila you tekan the calculator, you will get the answer 25 meter per second. Nampak dah ada conversion unit dekat sini. Kita dah convert the unit from kilometer per hour to become meter per second. If you punya jawapan dalam kilometer per hour, so it means nanti final answer you tak akan dapat markah lah. Sebab markah yang terakhir dia minta adalah meter per second. So whatever it is, you need to convert to meter per second. Okay? Okay, now let's move to the another B. Okay, the another question about kilometer per hour to kilometer per minute. Okay, so here, okay, kilometer per hour to kilometer per minute. So you just nak tukar change the hour to minute sahaja. Yang kilometers masih lagi sama. So saya buat macam ni, 90 km per hour. Okay, buat dalam bentuk fraction. So 90 km per hour. So 90 km tak ada masalah lah. Just letak sahaja because it is kilometer. Still kilometer. Alright, so 90 km per 1 times 60 minute. Why 60 minute? Because 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 1 times 60. So bila you tekan calculator, klik, you akan dapat 1.5 km per minute. Okay, boleh? So saya harap jelaslah buat masa ni. Alright, now let's move to the example 2. Still lagi conversion of unit. Okay, convert 120 meter per second to kilometer per minute. Okay, nampak So now from meter per second to kilometer per minute. So what you need to do? Okay, 120 meter per second. So 120 meter over 1 second. Okay, we use dalam bentuk fraction. Okay, so 120 divided by 1000 kilometer. Why 1000 kilometer? Because 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. Okay, tapi kita nak dapat minit ke kilometer, jadi kita terbalikkan. So that's why it become divide. Okay, so 120 divided by 1000 kilometer bahagi dengan 1 divide by 60 minit. Ni samalah konsep juga. Okay, kerana 1 minit bersamaan dengan 60 second. Jadi bila 1 second tu kita nak pergi pula pada minit, so you need to divide. Okay, so 1 divide by 60. Okay, bila kamu tekan calculator, you will get the answer 7.06 km per minute. Okay, boleh Okay. Now, baru kita nak masuk soalan yang berbentuk macam problem solving sikit lah yang berkaitan dengan average speed. Aris took 10 minutes to cycle 4.5 km from his house to the post office. So nampak daripada house dia to the post office. Okay, Aris took just 10 minutes. So time taken 10 minutes. Okay, and then the distance from house to the post office is 4.5 km. Okay, so this is the information given in the first sentence. Okay, then he cycled from the post office to the library in 8 minutes. Now, okay, he cycled from post office to the library. Time taken dia 8 minutes. Okay. Alright, if the distance from the post office to the library is the half the distance from Ari's house to the post office, calculate the average speed in kilometer per hour of his whole journey. Okay, so The next sentence here, it mentioned about the distance from the post office to the library must be half from the distance from Ari's house to the post office. It means 4.5 divided by 2. So this is the third sentence punya information. Okay, and then so apa yang dia nak cari dekat sini? Dia nak cari is about the average speed in kilometer per hour. So kena tengok betul-betul because maklumat yang dibagi dekat sini just in minute and juga kilometer. So you need to convert minute tu nanti becomes to hour. Alright? Okay. So kita nak tengok macam mana kita nak buat. Alright. So the formula masih lagi sama. Average speed equals to total distance over total time. Alright. So bila you cakap kat sini total distance. Okay, kita tengok yang the first part ni. 4.5 km ini adalah distance dia from dia punya house to the post office. Nampak to the house ke post office. So that's why letak 4.5. Okay, then kita nak plus sebab dia nak cakap tadi is total distance. Okay, now the distance from post office to the library. Okay, it mentioned here dia kata apa? Half the distance from Ari's house to the post office. So that's why 4.5 km you divide by 2. Okay, boleh kelasnya Alright, now divide dengan total time. Okay, so time for the first part iaitu house to the post office, dia dah mention dekat sini 10 minit. Okay, so letak sini 10 minit. Okay, then another one dari cakap juga dekat sini, cycle from post office to the library is 8 minutes. So you letak juga dekat sini 8 minutes. So you totalkan dia, you sumkan dia. Alright, so 6.75 km you divide dengan 18. But 18 is in minute. So you need to convert to hours sebab dia nak dalam bentuk kilometer per hour. That's why you need to divide by 60. So bila you tekan calculation, you tekan, you will get 22.5 km per hour. Okay? I hope it's clear for you lah. Alright, dan kita nak tengok the last example for today class. Alright, the distance between Seremban. Okay, this is a question about the problem solving question. Okay, just one example. Okay. The distance between Seremban and Johor Bahru is 273 kilometer. Okay, a car travel at an average speed of 84 kilometer per hour. Okay, and reach Johor Bahru at 1405 hours. So 1405 hours is supposed to be kalau we convert to 12 hours, kita akan jadi apa tu kelas? Masa dia akan jadi pukul 2:05. Okay, 2:05 p.m. Alright. At what time in the 24-hour system did the car depart from Seremban? Okay, so dalam soalan ni dia tak nak jawapan dalam bentuk dia nak jawapan dalam bentuk 24-hour system. So you need to answer in 24-hour system. Okay, alright. So kita cuba tengok. Okay, so time taken 273 divided by 84. Kenapa 273 divided by 84? Ingat balik the formula yang saya dah ajar in previous class. Okay, 273 maksudnya time taken equals to distance over speed. Okay, so 273 is mentioned here. Okay, divide by speed is 84. So you dapat 3.25 hours. Okay, tapi tiba-tiba bila cikgu convert as the saya convertkan dalam bentuk hour and minute. So you dapat like 15 minutes. Why? Okay, kerana kamu ingat 3.25. 3.25 itu dalam bentuk perpuluhan. Bermaksud dekat situ 325 per 100 over 100. Okay, so kita nak dapat macam mana dapat 15 minutes ni? Okay, so 25 over 100 okay times 60. Sebab 1 jam bersamaan dengan 60 minit. So you need to divide by 60. Apa tadi? 25 over 100 you times dengan 60. Okay, so bila you dapat dekat sini you akan dapat 15. Okay, so bukan simply 3.25 pap letak sini 3 hour 25 minutes. Salah jadi kena hati-hati. Alright, so kita tengok kat sini departure, okay, 1405 hours minus 3 hours 15 minutes. Okay, 1405 minus dengan 3 hours 15 minutes. Okay. Jadi kita buat dalam bentuk Untuk lazim lah. So, kalau kamu tengok dia 14 dengan 05 ni. Okey, kejap ya. Oh, cikgu nak guna marker sekejap. Okey. So, kalau you tengok dekat sini. Okey. Saya gunakan dengan warna yang lain. Okey, so kalau tengok sini 1405. Okay, 05 nak minus dengan 15 tak boleh kan? So what you need to do ialah kita ambil 14 ni, 1 hour tu kita convert dekat sini. So 60 plus 05 dia akan jadi 65. Itu maksud dia. Alright, so 65 minus 15. So you akan dapat berapa kat sini? Berapa kelas? Okay, so bila you tekan calculator, you akan dapat, kita tekan senang kan? Okay, 65 minus 15, you akan dapat 50. Okay, so 14 minus, sorry bukan 14 13 ni pun dah, cikgu dah cancel sepatutnya lah. Okay, so 13 minus 3, you akan dapat 10. Okay, so the answer become 10:50 am. Okay, bila dia kata 10:50 am, yang ini, kamu kena tengok boleh Bila dia kata 10:50 am, soalan dia dalam bentuk, dia cakap dia nak dalam bentuk 24 hour system. Okay, jadi apa yang kamu kena buat, ialah tukarkan dia, so dia akan jadi apa? 10-15 hours. Okay, so 1050 hours. Okay, sebab dia nak 24 hour system. Okay, so this is the final answer. Kalau buat sampai 10:50 am ni, salah lah. You kena buat 1050 hours. Okay, boleh kelas? Rasa boleh lah kan? Okay, now okay, so sampai sini sahaja. Alright, so lepas ni what you need to do is do lesson 24 exercise in GC and submit before 10 am. Okay, you can ask the question to me, okay, around 8:30 until 10 am ni using the WhatsApp. Okay, just PM me kalau ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya. Okay, alright, so saya rasa sampai sini sahaja kelas kita hari ini. Take care. Nanti kita jumpa lagi pada kelas akan datang pada hari Selasa minggu hadapan, kelas online. Okay, bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.